All right, you guys are doing awesome. Keep up the great work. Problem 3 is asking us to round the sum of 296 plus 609. It says, analyze how rounding to the nearest hundred is nearly the same as rounding to the nearest 10 when both add-ins are close to 100. So it wants us to first round to the nearest 10, then try to the nearest 100. Go ahead and pause the video. Pause the video. I want you to do 296 plus 609 to the nearest 100, and 296 plus 609 to the nearest 10. So these are going to be hundreds. These are going to be tens. Pause the video and do your number lines and your estimations now. Hopefully you paused and did these on your own. If not, that's okay. I went ahead and did these on my own. It took me about 2 minutes to get this done. I just wanted to make sure everyone could see everything, and it's still pretty tiny. But if I were to round to my closest 100, I noticed that 296 is closely rounded, is closest rounded to 300. This is how I found that out, by using my number line. 609 is closest to 600. If I add 300 and 600, I get 900. Now, if I go ahead and start rounding to my closest 10, 296, using my number line, is still closest to 300. 609, using my number line, is closest to, this should say 610, which means this should be 910. Woo, man, mistakes happen, right? Okay, so I noticed that 910 and 900 are only 10 away. I was rounding with my hundreds here and rounding to my closest 10 here, but my answers were only 10 away. Pretty impressive, don't you think?